females from 13 years down to 0 years, and we know the total, and we find out that for the male, we know the total, and then we find their difference. Now for female aged 14 years and below, from the table we have that from 14 years and below, we have a total of 5,000, or we have a combination of 5,000 and 4,000, giving us a total of 9,000. So that means the total number of females that are 14 years and below is 9,000. Question 3 says, find or calculate the difference between the population of male and female that are aged 14 years and below. So to get this done, we first of all find the total population of females that are 14 years below and that of males that are 14 years and below. And then we now find their difference. So from the table, the female we have between 11 to 14 age or years is 2,725, and those that are 10 years and below are 2,650. So if you put the two of them together, you have a total number of females. You do the same thing for males that are 14 years or 11 to 14 years and 10 years below. If you do that, you have a total for the males as well. And then you now look for their difference. So for females, you have to find a difference between males and females that are 14 years and below. For female, we have those who are 11 to 14 years to be 2,725. 2,725. And those who are 10 years and below to be 2,650. 2,650. Adding the two of them together, we have 5,375. 5,375 female. For male, we have those aged 11 to 14 to be 2,275. 2,275. And those aged 10 years and below to be 1,350. 1,350. Put them together, we have a total number of males aged 14 and below to be 3,625. 3,625. Now, to get the difference between male and female, or the difference between female and males, we subtract the total number of males from the total number of females that are aged 14 years and below. So a difference will be 5,375 minus 3,625, and that will give us 100 or 1,750 people. 1,750 50 people. So this is the difference between male and female who are aged 14 down to 0. So number 4 says calculate the percentage of population aged 14 and below. Percentage of population age 14 and below. To get that done, there's a formula we use, and it says a population of people age 14 and below, population of people aged 14 and below, all over the total population, times 100. The population of people aged 14 and below is what we want to determine first. Will be total population of males and females aged 14 and below. And from the table, we have that the total population of males and females aged 14 and below for the age group of 11 to 14 is 5,000, and for the age group of 10 and below is 4,000. So this will be 5,000 plus 4,000. This will give us 9,000. So this is the total number of people aged 14 years and below, according to the question. Now, having known the number of people aged 14 and 0, and we know that the total population, according to our previous calculation, we can find the percentage of the population aged 14 and below. Now, from the formula, population aged 14 and below is 9,000 all over the total population. Total population which we calculated to be, we calculated the total population to be 25,000 people. So we have 25,000 times 100. That will give us 36%. Therefore, the percentage increase of population aged 14 years and below is 36%. Now let's look at the dependency ratio. Dependency ratio is the population of those who are dependent over the population of those who are working. And how do you determine those who are working and those who are dependent or who are not working? You consider their age groupings. Now, the population age 14 and below, naturally, you know, they are children and they will be dependent. That means they are not working. And those who are aged 65 years and above, you know, naturally, they may have retired from work or age has caught up with them and they are now dependent on probably their wards or their children. So if you put these two groups together, you have, and then divide them by those who are working, you have the dependency ratio. Number 5. Calculate the dependency ratio. And that's usually given as population of people aged 14 years and below population of people aged 14